Okay,
let's chat about this for just a moment. So for this takeoff, there's no flaps, unlike the soft field.
Right.
Good. Okay, why don't you tell him we're departing for touch and goes. See what he has to say.
Ukiah traffic, Cessna 7666 Golf is departing 15 for touch and goes. Ukiah.
Okay.
Ukiah traffic, Mooney 31617, 5 mile 45 to left traffic, runway 15, Ukiah. Ukiah traffic, are you staying in the pattern to the right traffic or are you going left traffic?
We'll be left traffic.
Okay. So pretend that is, get right on the white line kind of thing. There you go.
Too far?
That's perfect.
I didn't get to the center.
Okay, that's close enough. Okay, I don't see him. Okay, keep
5
your
miles out.
toes on the brakes, full throttle. Okay, and let the brakes go. Okay, and try not to put any pressure in here, just kind of keep it loose. Okay, we're looking for 65. I'm going to do the first takeoff here for you. So we got...
That's 55.
Okay. I can't actually see here.
Gotcha.
Okay, then we go for 80.
Okay,
no,
2.5
78 was it?
45, going the left downwind.
74, I think.
Seeing the numbers of 33. Looking for traffic on that one.
Okay, I better look where he is.
I didn't hear what he just said.
He's on the downwind opposite the number 33. Okay, so, I didn't do a very good job. Here's what we're looking for, I think you said 75.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think that's what we decided.
I see him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I didn't make a left turn when you can.
Okay.
I guess I could put the strobes on here.
Extend a little bit just to give him some
Okay,
room.
traffic, 93017 out downwind for 15.
Okay, so the next steps are a little slower on base. Shoot for 75.
Gotcha.
He looks awfully low.
Yeah. Actually, no, I lost him.
It's right to the right of the freeway, really low.
Oh, yeah. Damn, he's really low. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Okay, traffic 66 Gulf is left downwind, 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
Okay, traffic, 93117, left base, full stop, 15.
Okay, I guess whatever works.
Taking the scenic route.
Yeah.
Kind of weird.
Yeah, that just can't be natural.
Final 115. Okay.
Okie dokie.
So start with the same 1700 you've been using. Use pitch.
Okay.
A little bit to slow us on the base. And I would wait till the base to start shooting for slower.
Okay.
Otherwise you won't get down very low.
That's what I was kind of worried about. Okay, traffic 66 Gulf is left base 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
You got traffic 31617, clear 15.
There you go. It's looking good at 75. Looks clear on final. There you go. Now we're looking for 70, 65-ish.
Got traffic 66 Golf is final 15, touch and go, you got it.
So we're going to try to land as close as we can to the 15. Okay, so power back a little less, keep a little back pressure in, so keep her slow. So there's no tree today, we're just going to land right on the 15.
Okay. Feels really slow.
Yeah, how's the trim doing? Feel good?
Feels good, it's not fighting me at all.
Okay, so see if we can slow her up a bit more, or a bit less. Hey, remember you have power if we need to. We're looking good though. Okay, we're at 70, power back just a little less. Try to hold her slow, keep her slow. We're a little fast, power to idle. That's it, don't push down or we'll float more.
Missed the 15.
All right, hold her off. There you go. Okay, pretend the brakes, yoke back, flaps up. Flip the
Brakes, oh.
flaps up.
Gotcha. Said pretend the brakes.
Yeah, by that I mean just touch them.
Okay, I touched them and the nose immediately went down.
Okay, let's take off. Keep her to the center. Pretend we had the brakes on.
Gotcha.
Okay, so this time I'll make sure I can see where the airspeed is. We're looking for, I don't know, 65, climb out at 75, I think we decided. Okay, abruptly, there you go. Well, that's a little too abrupt, but that's the right idea. Don't let it get too high or we'll end up slow.
That's at 75, right?
75,
okay.
74 I think it was, something like that. Then just hold that till we're over that imaginary
too
tree.
abrupt.
Yeah, so remember, all you're really trying to do is raise the nose just a little higher than you're used to.
Gotcha, okay. It has responded way more than I thought it would.
These are all kind of fun
Yeah.
once you get the steps.
Yeah, this one seems way easier.
Yep, the takeoff for sure.
The landing is a little bit more...
Yeah, a little more practice.
It's slower than I'm used to.
Yeah.
It feels weird being that slow. I think I've told you I have that problem where I go too fast. So
So this will take care of it.
probably.
It gives you the kind of the feel that you can get away with flying pretty slow.
Yeah.
You don't have to fly fast.
It just feels like I'm gonna drop out of the sky, you know?
Well, remember you'd get the stall warning first, so
yeah.
if you're not getting the stall warning, life is good. Okay, so we had that RV or whatever he was in the run-up area.
I think he did a full stop, didn't he?
He did, but the RV is in the run-up area, I think.
Oh.
That experimental thing.
Oh, the other guy.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. Okay, traffic 66 Golf is left downwind 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
Okay, it looks like he's still in the corner there, or in the run-up area.
Yeah, I don't see anybody else moving.
No, I can see the Moonies parked there now, kind of in front of the other building.
Yeah. Okay, traffic 66 Golf is left base, 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
Okay, so we're shooting for 75-ish.
Yep.
Good. How's it looking as far as high or low?
I feel like I'm a little high, but not too bad.
Yeah, it's looking really good. Okay, I'm looking on final. It looks good.
Okay.
That's it. Put them all down. Yeah. Now gently. Small pitch changes.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is final, 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
See if we can get her closer to 65. So that's it. There you go. Hold the nose up, a little less power. There you go. You're right on the button. So now you're just trying to project how we're doing as far as the 15. Remember, it's always going to float, so you can kind of project yourself a little lower down. Think about when to bring the power to idle.
Right about now.
Bring her to idle. Okay, gently. Look way up ahead. Just your normal stuff now. Oh yeah, that's nice. Hold her up. Ooh, little hard. Okay, pretend the brakes. Hold the yoke back. Flaps up. Keep her in the center.
I ran out of lift.
Just at the right time though. Keep her in the center. Yeah, you're kind of giving up that center line a little bit. Let's take off again.
All right.
Hey, so we're pretending we had the brakes on at the end of the runway. Hey.
65, right?
Yeah, I guess. It's whatever we like. Climb out at 75.
There's 65.
Okay,
Up.
there you go. It's a little high, a little bit lower. Remember, it's not much higher than you're used to. Okay, it's a really tall tree. Big sucker. It's got pieces of airplane hanging in it. Okay.
Experimentally Anderson, Romeo Bravo,
95.
departing runway 15, northeast departure, Ukiah.
Okay, let's go ahead and accelerate the best rate now.
Okay.
Even 85, we don't need to specifically hold it best rate, but cruise climb, any of those numbers. Okay, he's coming behind us. Let's go ahead and make our turn. Okay, that last one worked out very nicely.
Kind of felt a little bit rough at the very end there.
Yeah, that last foot to the ground was, but we can work on that. So remember how that felt so that when you're doing your normal landings, you can be a little slower and still feel comfortable.
This is definitely forcing me to learn that.
Yeah.
I can feel it happening.
Oh, good.
Because that's way slower than I normally go.
Well,
Way slower.
okay, I don't know, do you see him somewhere?
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is left downwind 15. Touch and go, Ukiah. Are we doing a touch and go?
Yep, there's
I see him.
Okay. Yeah.
Did he say where he was going?
Yeah, departing to the northeast.
Oh, okay.
Boy, this is great flying weather.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay, so back to our old habits. Have a look at the windsock, make sure nobody's taxiing. Or if they are, we're knowing what they're up to.
Looks like the sock hasn't moved the whole time we've been up here.
Tankers are both parked there.
Traffic 382 Big Delta is about 8 miles to the north inbound, Ukiah.
5 miles?
I think it was 8.
What did you say?
8 miles north, I think.
8? Okay, traffic 66 Golf is left base 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
That's it, so slow her down a bit more. Less power, a little bit of back pressure. I'm looking on final. Looks clear.
Don't see him?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, we look pretty high. So bring a bunch of the power back and get all those flaps in.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is final 15, touch and go, Ukiah. Ah, shit, I'm way too high.
Okay. Yeah, but we can fix it. Little less power and hold the nose up. Remember, we're still shooting for 65-ish. Okay. A little less power yet.
I'm definitely going to clear that tree.
Bring the power back to idle, or a little less for a minute or two here. This is kind of the normal short field where you're steep, or steeper than we're used to, power to idle. If it's not, just hang there. Don't make the mistake of pushing the nose down too soon. That's it. Take your time. Nice. Nice. Near the center line. Keep it on the center.
Julie Delta is 4 miles to the north, inbound. I'll be coming up on the west side of the runway, then cross over the midfield, and then enter left downwind runway 15.
Okay, let's take off. That was very nice.
Yeah, that one felt better.
That last one there will get you by any check ride.
That felt good, yeah.
Yeah.
That almost felt better that I was up too high, because I felt like I came in way steeper.
So long as you remember to come down.
Right.
There you go, that's it. Okay, did you understand what he said he was going to do?
He's crossing over midfield and then going in on a 45 or something like that?
Yeah, he's going to cross you over on the west side, and then,
right,
as you said, he's going to cross.
That seems odd.
Yeah, he's trying to get around. He'd probably normally do a straight in if we weren't here.
Oh, my bad.
He's coming from like Willits, up that Laytonville actually, but so it's easy for him to be over there. So that's actually technically called an upwind approach that he's planning, where he's paralleling the runway on the non-downwind side.
Interesting.
Okay, let's go ahead and lower the nose and climb out at 85.
Traffic, Delta is crossing the runway for left downwind runway 15, Ukiah.
Okay, so he's going to be in front of us, isn't he?
Yeah, maybe I should sort of delay here a little bit.
We're kind of in it already.
Okay.
We'll just make sure we know where he is when we roll out.
Just making a nice leisurely turn here.
Yeah, see if we can see where he is.
Okay, traffic, Susie Delta is on left downwind runway 15.
I think I saw him.
Okay.
Looks high.
So when you call downwind, you can tell him we're number 2.
Gotcha. I lost him.
I did too. Go ahead and tell him we're coming.
Ukiah traffic, Cessna 7666 Gulf is left downwind 15. Looking for that other traffic. Ukiah. See him?
Not yet. No.
Okay, traffic, 23 Delta is turning left base, runway 15, Ukiah.
Okay, so we ought to see him on base.
Oh, I see him. He's really low.
Yeah, he is. That must be the tendency.
Yeah, am I doing something wrong? Look at this guy.
Yeah, what's that 1,600 feet they keep harping about? I guess that's just a recommendation. How's he doing? Oh, he's just touching down, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We got plenty of time.
Boy, that lake looks flat. What lake there
Okay,
is.
traffic 23 Delta is down and clear.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is left base, 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
Sure, we'll make the next one full stop.
Okay.
And we'll taxi back and maybe do one from a dead start.
Okay.
Hey, it looks good on final. How's our speed doing?
75.
Good. How are we doing? Are we too high, too low? What do you
I feel
think?
like I'm too high again.
A little bit. So just less power and then lower the nose if you need to. But really hold that speed. So power back, a little less.
Oh, I gotta put in the rest of these flaps too.
Okay.
That'll help. Oh yeah.
Okay, the numbers are starting to get underneath us, telling us that we're high.
I feel like I could almost idle it in from here.
Oh yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, as always, it's one of those take your time things.
Right.
You know, if you can, if the traffic permits. That's it, our speed's looking good. A little fast, but it's close enough. Now gently, keep her in the middle. Right there, a little higher. Hold it, ha-ha. Hold the nose up, brakes a little bit. Flaps up. That's nice, you need one more hand though. Let's take off when you're ready and make the next one full stop. Yeah, those are coming pretty quick for you.
I like it. You know, I feel like my overall landings could benefit a lot from this.
Oh yeah, you betcha. Okay, you're looking for 65. There
65.
All right, there you go.
75. Need to get air conditioning, man.
Tell you, it started out real cool this morning. I had the vent closed.
Yeah, I got down to like 25 at my house last night.
Oh wow.
Or night before last.
Okay, we're over that imaginary tree. Wow, that's really down there.
It's cold for around here, yeah, this time of year.
That's killing your wife's tomato plants.
Oh yeah, we moved everything in already.
Yeah. That's the cold day for a while. I noticed the next 10 days or whatever, they're not expecting anything below like a 41 in Ukiah, or excuse me, in Redwood Valley.
Dang.
Okay.
Ukiah traffic, 66 Golf is left downwind, 15, full stop, Ukiah. Yeah, it's crazy. My weather station has this little graph, you know, where it shows the outdoor temperature. And you can see in the morning when the sun came out that day, it just goes straight up. Like,
oh, wow.
Climbed up to like 70 degrees within a couple
quick,
hours.
Yeah, yeah. But, you know, it doesn't take much, though, to bump off tomatoes or some of those
Yeah.
real sensitive plants.
We don't have a lot left this time of year, really.
The wife's still babying on the tomatoes.
I have these geraniums that have been limping along.
Oh,
I
yeah.
brought those in.
They're pretty quick to bump off, too.
Oh, yeah. Big
Yeah.
time. Ukiah traffic 66 Golf is left base 15, full stop, Ukiah.
Okay, slow her down.
There we go, 75. Yeah, traffic 66 Golf is final, 15, full stop, Ukiah.
How's it looking?
Doing that high thing.
Yeah, so let's bring...
Kinda like it.
Well, you've got the excuse of that big tree.
I know, man, that tree's freaking me out. 65, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Look, yep, if you can.
That's what I'm trying to keep it.
Okay. Power back a little less because we're a little high. Now just take your time, hold the pitch for 65. Power is at idle, I think. Coming down.
It is now.
Gently bring it down. Looking good. That's it. Nice flare, gentle. Yeah, hold it right there. Nice. Very nice. Brakes when you can. Yoke back, little flaps, or flaps up. That was another really decent one.
We're doing a stop, right?
Yep. Pardon me?
Is that too much brakes?
No, that's fine.
Okay. I realize I haven't been putting the flaps up as quickly as I probably should. I forgot that was part of the landing.
Yeah, if you can. The downside to the flaps in this type of Cessna is they're very slow to retract anyway.
Yeah.
You know, whereas the guys that have the manual ones, they just, you know, hit the lever and back down.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is clear, 15. Okay, traffic 66 Golf is clear, 15, Ukiah.
Whew. Yeah, so let's plan on, we can just do a few more.
Okay.
You got a few more left in you?
Yeah,
okay.
For sure.
All right.
Already up, all right.
Okay.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is taxiing to 15, Ukiah. Trying to get into like a strip club DJ voice on the radio. Ladies and gentlemen, to the left stage, put your hands together for Bambi.
That'll work.
Those guys all sound the same. I don't know why.
Must be the microphone.
I just hang out in a strip club that long, I think you just start to sound like
Could
that.
be.
I couldn't afford to hang out there that long personally, but
You eventually go broke. Okay, so that's the Mooney we listened to earlier. And the guy that was across the runway and all of that, it's the yellow tipped one that's in front of the hangar there, older 182. Giving you a tour.
no, never mind, it's just the angle. Second I thought that was a tail dragger conversion.
Ah, a lot of trouble, a lot of effort.
I don't understand why people do that. Looks cool?
I guess. I mean, I guess you could rationalize that it is slightly faster because the tail wheel being smaller.
Yeah.
But hardly worth doubling the price of the air or whatever.
It doesn't seem like it, yeah.
The one that just grosses me right out is there's a, what the hell is it called? Texas tail dragger, Cessna 150. You have to move the main gear, you know, just obviously the nose wheel goes to the back, but the main gear have to go forward, and you know, the plane's just not set up to do that.
It's counterintuitive.
I can only imagine the cost of...
It's got to be a lot.
All the linkages, you know, nothing's going to work.
They're screwing with the design, too. I don't get
it.
It'd almost be just as expensive to do retractable gear.
Sure.
The new 172s have retractable gear, don't they?
You can, but
so.
no, they come in fixed gear as well.
Okay.
Fixed gear are the big seller.
Less to go wrong.
Cheaper, way cheaper, a lot less maintenance, a lot less moving parts. All right, get to that line on your checklist there. Flaps are up.
Trim is good. Briefed.
Briefed.
Doors.
I love it when you turn the landing light on. There's not even a bump in the ammeter.
That LED bulb, right?
Oh, it makes all the difference. Whereas flaps, watch.
Oh yeah, you can see that.
You can see the twist. Okay. Tell them what we're up to. Let's do a couple more.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is departing 15, staying in the pattern for touch and goes, Ukiah. There you go. Hey, we're here.
That's it.
I can actually line up with the middle this time.
Okay.
Yeah, close enough.
There we go. Good. So we'll get the nose wheel kind of straight. Good. Now I'll run that power up. All right, let her go.
Release.
I'll get that whiplash. Yeehaw! So everything is neutral. We're not anticipating the flare or the rotation.
65, right?
Yep, let her rip at 65.
And 65. Yeehaw.
There you go. And then just a little higher than you're used to, so a little bit more right rudder. I can feel that wheel a bit.
Is it coming back? I noticed that.
I think so.
I must have put a flat spot in it. My bad, dude.
No, it's probably time to balance it again. Okay, we're over that big imaginary tree.
Okie dokie. That's kind of fun, the takeoff side of that.
Oh, yeah.
I can get into that.
Yep. And it's even logical.
Yeah, totally.
If you did have a tree that was, or something to climb over.
It'd still be way more terrifying with an actual tree, I think.
Oh, truly. Yeah.
Can only imagine.
Maybe there's a market for rubber FAA-approved trees.
Maybe like some sort of a hologram.
Well, that would seem a lot safer.
Or if he's put a balloon on a string, I mean, it's probably going to be okay, right? Okay, traffic 66 Golf is left downwind, 15, touch and go, Ukiah. Stock still has not moved.
No, I think it's broke.
Okay, traffic 66 Gulf is left base 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
Looking good. How's it looking? High, low? What do you think?
A little bit high, but not too bad.
Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, nose up a little bit.
Oops. $65.
Now it kind of settles down when you get the airspeed just right.
Yeah.
You get 65, it hangs in there. And then you're just sort of tinkering here.
Exactly. I'm really starting to connect this is the airspeed and that's the altitude.
Yeah, good.
I can feel it happening.
That's a good thing. Looking good. So we're aiming just a little below the 15 so that we float to it.
All right.
Okay. Looking good. Power's at idle now.
Yep.
Gently. Keep her in the middle. Lots of time. Yeah, I like it. Hear the stall warning?
Yeah.
Gently.
Ooh.
Gently.
Hey. Ooh.
A little bit higher. Okay.
That was weird.
Flaps up, a little bit of pretend brakes. But remember, yoke back.
Yeah.
So when you're done, you should have that yoke all the way back and the flaps coming up and the brakes gently on. Let's do one more.
Okay. That was weird. It sort of felt like I slid off to the side there right
Just
at the end.
at the last. I think there is a little wind developing there.
That kind of caught me by surprise.
There you go. Very nice. Lots of rudder. Remember where to place the nose.
Yeah.
That abruptness might be what's kind of throwing the tires off. The wheels, the shimmy.
Maybe I can knock it back in.
Okay. Hold that nose up. There you go. Okay, we're over that imaginary tree. We have the distance measuring equipment working again.
Oh, cool.
I had a big notice to airmen that it wasn't, and I noticed
I saw
earlier
that.
it wasn't working.
I wonder if they're just replacing something or if something broke.
Knowing the FAA, something broke. God forbid they should be proactive or get ahead of it. Remember, that station up there is 100 years old.
Right.
I'm exaggerating, but it's been there forever. Probably still using tubes. No, I'm kidding. You gotta go to Radio Shack and buy some more tubes for it.
Ukiah traffic, Cessna 7666 Gulf is left downwind 15, touch and go, Ukiah.
Okay, let's actually make it a full stop. I think we're on a good roll.
Okay,
Just
yeah.
tell them when you're on base.
That sounds good. I feel like I'm reaching a point of diminishing returns.
True, yep. So when we go on this multi-leg cross-country, we can start slowing down and, using 75 or 65 when we get in close. 75 to 65, slowing it down, and see if that doesn't work better for a normal landing.
Gotcha. Yeah, I definitely want to. It feels better. Like it feels like there's less going on in the flare.
Yeah, you're going to reduce the float quite a bit.
Right.
Just the lesser speed. good day to practice these. The wind isn't a factor bumping you around, so you can
I think I got lucky.
kind of set it in a good spot and just see what it does.
Okay, traffic, Cessna 7666 Golf is left base 15, full stop, Ukiah. Anybody coming?
Nope.
Okay.
Looking good.
Okay, traffic 66 Golf is final, 15, full stop, Ukiah. Picked up a little bit of speed there.
There we go. Good. How's it looking? Are we going to make the 15?
Definitely, maybe.
Okay, good. Still looking good. Wouldn't touch a thing yet. Add a little power if you start, maybe just a smidgen of power, but not much. Keep the nose down. Oh yeah, 65, it's looking good. Hold her up. Look at this. Okay,
Ran out of
flaps.
juice.
Try the brakes a little bit. Good stuff. Just keep fighting for that center line.
There's a certain point there where I feel like I get slow enough and I feel the yoke hit the back and I'm still coming down too fast and there's not really a whole lot I can do at that point.
No, you're kind of out of options there.
That's what just happened. I felt it thump as I hit the back.